How to auto-translate Discord messages using Better Discord. So if you want to auto-translate Discord messages using Better Discord, then what you need to do is just go with your browser and search for Better Discord. And here you just need to simply go and download the Better Discord plugin. So just go with download, which is right here, and you need to download that. Once you've downloaded, now you need to open up your Discord application or your browser. Once you open up your Discord, now you just need to simply go with the settings option, which is on the bottom left. Scroll down, and here you will get a plugins option. You just need to simply go with plugins. And here, if you don't have the plugins option, or if you don't have any plugins under your Discord, what you need to do is just go with your plugin. Just go with Discord and then go with plugins, which is on the right side. And here you just need to simply search for a plugin, which is Translator. Once you search for it, now here you will have your Discord Translator plugin. You just need to simply go with download, which is here on the left side, and go with the downloads again, which will be on the upper right, and then download the unverified file. And once you've downloaded the plugin, now you just need to simply open up your Discord, reload your page, and you just need to simply go with the plugin, go with settings, and here you will have the plugins. Open up your plugins and then choose the Translator plugin, and after that it will automatically translate the Discord messages using the Better Discord. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.